What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Wrath2501 here, and here is the special video I promised you guys. We are going to be checking out all the food and stuff that me and my family got for Thanksgiving. You're going to see my mom's awesome turkey bird and all the cool shit that she makes. So I hope you guys have eaten already, or if not, you're going to want to eat again after you see everything that my mom has cooked. So join me on this little Thanksgiving special.
I'm Peter Griffin. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today that I know concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word. Bird, but bird's a word, oh well, a bird, 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 well, a bird is a word, oh well, a bird, bird, but bird's a word, oh well, a bird, 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 but bird's a word, oh well, a bird, 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 well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Make everybody knows that the bird is the word, oh well, a bird, 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 the bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter, the bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child, the bird is the word. Lady on the toilet, the bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word. It's pretty obvious because they're like later. Yeah. Or you can do it in a color.
I've been waiting for this all year.
I don't know.
Don't.
Hi, Ronnie. Hi, Ronnie.
Don't.
Rhonda.
She wish she throws the soda or water at your
Rhonda.
face.
Hi.
Oh.
Hi, Emma.
I want to get
Hey, what'd you do?
You like turtles?
Oh, you asleep? Hey, you want the glove?
I don't like turtles.
You want it?
I want to be
You want the oven glove? You want it? Here.
Well, too bad it's
Here you
not
go.
your
You want
body.
it?
I don't want you to
Here.
have your stupid snake
There
fight.
you go.
You're
There you
gonna
go.
be that
You
one,
got it.
right?
What
Got
did
it?
she get?
Her ugly piercings.
Oh, those
Fist
things.
bump.
Trying not to look at them.
Oh, fist bump. Baby fist bump.
It's the fat. Oh, you have one too?
You had only one last time.
No.
Oh, look. You take your pillow now? Is the glove your pillow now?
Good thing I just
Are you going to put it
What
on?
does it mean? Does it mean you're gone?
Oh!
Gone. It doesn't mean
Are you serious?
It doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
Wait, no, you haven't. I wasn't a fan.
You put that dumb thing in your ear.
Mashed potatoes.
Looks like a snot.
Rolls.
Oh, the nose?
Of course, the glorious turkey.
Oh, I said your ear, huh?
The delicious turkey meat.
Oh, that's Mikey. Mikey was hers. That's the only thing I told her. I told her that's the only thing she could do.
Okay, that's about all I was able to get from our Thanksgiving dinner because I had to spend a lot of time serving food and getting everything plated and stuff like that. Sorry about that, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy seeing the bountiful feast that me and my family enjoyed. I mean, I didn't even get to show everybody who actually showed up. I mean, the place was actually pretty crowded, but that bird is the word. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope I, stimulated your appetites. Maybe you're probably hungry now. I know I am, actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Other stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed our little Thanksgiving thing. And keep those likes a-coming. We really enjoy your likes. And we enjoy your dislikes, especially when you comment about it. So let us know what else you guys want to see. We're going to see if we can get this channel producing again, and we're going to be getting more stuff over on the game channel. Remember, check out the game channel for my Cuphead debacles where I am just destroyed by the game, and we're also going to be having some more Fractured Butthole over there, so you can check that out. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.